Hi, Joe Meisen with Hawkins Sales, coming to you from Mars Electric. In these unprecedented times, we are doing live and pre-recorded web trainings for everyone. So hopefully they're going to be of use to you. Hopefully you'll find some value in this while we're all on shelter at home. What we would like to do is for each of these short sessions, we're going to offer deals such as free product, discounted product. So watch for the end of this session an email to come up. You just follow that email link and you'll be able to take advantage of some free product from Mars and from Hawkins. Today though, specifically, we're going to be talking about Leviton healthcare. We're seeing a lot of temporary healthcare pop up all throughout the state, Cleveland Clinic, University Health, Metro. We want to make sure that we're communicating to everyone out there that we have the inventory, both from Leviton and here locally at Mars, to be able to service as things pop up. But moreover, we want to make sure that everyone in the marketplace is aware of all this new product that is there to support us in these difficult times. For temporary power distribution box, industrial grade plugs, connectors, and receptacles, portable outlet boxes and covers, portable GFCIs, single pole devices, and pin and sleeve devices. But specifically for today, we're going to be looking at some product that might not be as commonplace, more proprietary to Leviton, and that's specifically the antimicrobial devices and plates, and also the medical grade power strips. So to get started, antimicrobial devices and plates. Talking about what's going on right now with COVID-19, believe it or not, stainless steel is actually one of the surfaces that inhibits the longest presence of this virus that's taking place. As you can expect, all throughout healthcare, as well as education, assisted living environments, daycares, you're finding a lot of stainless steel for the durability. Well, that stainless steel is the most likely to carry long remnants of that virus. Now, this is just news that's coming out, but this plate, same durability, it's actually a stainless steel plate that has been powder coated with a silver ionization. That silver ionization component that's on this plate kills 99.9% of bacterial growth. So bacterial growth like E. coli, staph infection, and also things like viruses like influenza. So you can see where this would be potentially a major need, but certainly a major consideration in this market. Now, Leviton offers both Decora plates like I'm holding here, but also toggle plates. And beyond that, we also offer in a Decora style switch and in a toggle style switch. Those are actually incorporated into the material of those switches. The idea being, obviously, as patients, as healthcare providers are touching the switch, this is the most common area that you're going to find coming into contact. Now next, we have the medical grade strip. So as a side note, you can see I've got plugged in here illuminated devices. You can see ours compared to the competition, very easy to find in an emergency situation. And we also have illuminated plug cord ends. So it's just a nice thing to demo while we're showing the plug strip here. So medical grade plug strip. What makes a plug strip medical grade? Because there is a differentiation, medical grade versus hospital grade. So for it to be medical grade, first and foremost, it has to conform with two UL listings. That's UL 60601 and 1363. That has to do with the safety of medical equipment, and then also anything that is portable for medical equipment. Makes sense because it's a power strip. Secondary does of course have to have hospital grade receptacles. Enough said there. And you have to have these receptacle covers. Moreover, these receptacle covers have to be locking. You can see that they are spill proof, so you don't have anything, liquids are not able to be inhibited here. But when we say locking, that doesn't mean you have to have a key. You could take just about anything. I'm just going to use the end of this device here, pop it in, and it opens right up. You can imagine easier, you can use part of the straight blade connector to pop this open. Now also the enclosure leakage cannot exceed 0.1 milliamps. There is no manual on-off. You cannot turn this power switch, this power strip off, and it has to be able to be permanently mounted on anything that is movable. So think crash carts, right? You can see that we do have fixture mount right here and right here to go on a crash cart, but we also offer brackets for that placement. So those are the 6 things that really make this medical grade. Now, where do you use something medical grade? Well, as NFPA Article 99 requires, that is anywhere a patient is being provided with any kind of medical attention. So that can be obviously dialysis machines, that can be giving blood. Now, the way that that's defined is think of a 12-foot by 7.5-foot bubble, right? So patient care, 6 feet in any direction of that patient and up to 7.5 feet up. So obviously things like fixtures do not have to be medical grade because they're generally going to be 8 feet and higher. Now, in addition to the medical grade strip that I'm holding here, and we do have all different styles, so we go from 2 receptacle, 4, all the way up to 6 like I'm holding, and we have them in surge and non-surge assemblies. We do also offer a new technology, brand new, first on the market to roll something like this out, and it's called Inform. Okay, so what is Inform technology? Inform technology is an illuminated light alert for hospital staff and facilities to let us know when we have exceeded the maximum load of this power strip. Now, per NFPA Article 99, specifically 10.236, you are not to exceed 75% of the maximum voltage to this device. Previously, this would have all been done manually. Now, how would you do it manually? Well, watts divided by voltage equals your ampacity, your max ampacity. So if you've got 120 volts coming in and 100 watts, 100 divided by 120 is 0.833 repeating. So you know that you are at less than 1 amp. If you've got 1,000 watt drop, 1,000 divided by 120 then is 8.333 repeating. So you've got 8.3 amps, so you're fine. But now imagine healthcare providers, the facility managers of the healthcare having to go through and do that manually versus having now Inform technology, which will, with a light indicator, let you know when you've exceeded that 75% maximum draw. So again, remember for medical grade, anything being used in patient care vicinity, Leviton medical grade strips. And now in these uncertain times, in lieu of stainless steel, recommending antimicrobial devices and wall plates. For these and more, please come into Mars Electric or contact Hawkins Sales. We have inventory ready to go, and we also have the support staff to provide the solutions you're looking for. Thanks very much, and now for a link to your free product, follow here.